Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when the battery level of your earbuds is not reliable. Firstly, I recommend you to check if you have the latest software version. Open Reconnect application. Of course, you should add your earbuds with the phone. Then you will see them at the device list and you need to tap at your earbuds. Now click at the pencil icon at the right top. And right here at the last line we have device update. So tap at this line to check it, and it said that I have the latest software version. If you haven't, you can update it in this window. Now check, is it fix your problem? If it's not, the next step is to place your earphones to the charging case. Then close the case and wait about 15 seconds. The battery level of your earbuds and the charging case will update. And after that time, you need to open the charging case, remove your earbuds from the case and check is it fixed. If it doesn't, we should perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, first we need to remove these earbuds from the phone. So go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices. And at the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Now, click at the Forget this device button or Forget device button or Unpair button or maybe Remove button or something else. And forget device. Now, at the back side of each earbud, right here at the top, we have touch areas and you need to press 10 times simultaneously. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. After that, we can finally reconnect them with the phone. So, if you have Android, you need to click Pair New Device button at the top. But not all Android phones have this button. Maybe you need to do the same as on iOS, just go back and return to the Bluetooth or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth, or maybe you have refresh button, tap at this button. After factory reset, these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically, so you will see them as device list and you need to tap on them. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!